guys fast and easy how to take this pump out of this dehumidifier. It's an R175. I've already partially taken this thing apart. On the back of this machine you have 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's to take the outer casing off. You also have 1 bolt on that side and 1 bolt on this side. Now this is the purge pump that we're going to be replacing. Now I've already cut this foam. I've cut here with an X-Acto knife and down here, and done the same thing to the other side. And I have replacement foam ready to go to seal up those areas. Now that you've already took that foam, set this thing to the side. Alright, folks, I've already taken my pump loose. Right here's the pump, but it sets right down there, down in that reservoir. Now, next step, you're going to take that bolt off and that bolt. And I've already unplugged it, and right here's the wiring harness for your pump. You'll plug the new wires back in, and here's our new pump to go in that place, and it should work just fine after we replace it. And that's how you get to the pump. And there's only 1 bolt holding that pump on. It'll be the same size bolt as these guys. Alright, well, y'all be careful.